Hello Zoe. I have called you in today for an important assignment.
Hi Mary, what's the assignment? I'm up for anything.
That's the spirit. Okay, so I need you to do a secret teenage clothing brand for me.
Okay. Wait, why secret?
Because this company makes a stuck-up, annoying adult clothing brand, I have to admit, so I need you to change that in secretly, and I mean secretly bring some color into the brand.
Well, okay, I'll go get started.
Okay. I'll check in with you tomorrow. See you later.
Bye.
Wait, can you get me a coffee from the break room? Please.
Sure, it what I'm here for, right? I'll be right back.